Hello students, how are you all? Yes, today our subject is English. Lesson number 6, Little Ants Big Plan. See children, we have started revision. We have not done revision 6. I had done first. Okay, but from today we will start revision. So you all have to revise. Okay, and those who have not understood can understood this lesson again. Okay children, so are you ready to learn new lesson? Yes, it is very interesting and very nice with pictures. Pictures are given. Okay, it is in your textbook, lesson number 6, Little Ants Big Plan. If you don't have textbook, I have sent your PDF, so you can read from that. Okay students? Yes. So now see what we will revise. Today we will learn hard words, reading and meanings. We will revise today hard words. Then we will read the lesson so that again you will be able to read this lesson. Then we will learn meanings. Okay? So now let us start. Hard word. See, number 1, little. 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 See. Number 2, ant. 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 See this ant. 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 Number 3 is teased. Teased. Teased is to make fun. Okay. Number 4 is collect. 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 Number 5 is food. 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 See number 1 again. Little. Number 2, ant. Number 3, teased. Number 4, collect. Number 5, food. Have you understood this? See, there is an ant collecting food and taking it to the underground. Yes, they live underground, no? So, again, number 1, little. Number 2, ant. Number 3, teased. Number 4 is collect. Number 5 is food. FOOD, food. Okay students. Now see number 6, winter. WINTER, winter. Winter season. Number 7 is underground. UNDER, under. GROUND, ground. Underground. Number 8 is queen. QUEEN, queen. Number 9, fill. FILL, fill. Number 10 is store. STORE, store. Yes. See, winter, it is a name of a season. Underground, where ants live, and queen is ants queen. Okay, queen of ants. Fill, FILL, fill. Store, STORE, store. Understood children? Learn these words. This is your revision. Now you will be able to read and learn. Okay? See number 6, winter. WINTER, winter. Underground. Number 8, queen. QUEEN. Number 9, fill. FILL, fill. Number 10, store. STORE, store. Number 11 is work. W-O-R-K, work. W-O-R-K, work. Number 12, restaurant. See here, there is a picture. Restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant. Number 13, carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Number 14, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, vegetables. Number 15, buns. B-U-N-S, buns. Okay. Number 11, work. W-O-R-K, work. Number 12, restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, rest or rent. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant. Number 13, carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Number 14, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Number 15, buns. B-U-N-S, buns. See, there is a bun, picture of bun. Number 16, glad. Hard words. Number 16, glad. Glad means happy. G-L-A-D, glad. Number 17, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Number 18, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Number 19, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Number 20, more. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. Okay? Again we will revise this. Glad. G-L-A-D, glad. B-A-B-Y, baby. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. H-A-N-D, hand. M-O-R-E, more. Okay. Now we will do reading of the lesson. Okay, children. So are you ready to read? See, there is a picture of ant. Ant is also reading a book. Okay, and two ants are there. So now we start reading. Lesson number 6. Little ant loves to read. Little ant is often teased. Ants don't read. Ants must feed. Ants collect the food they need. See, this is a page of your book. Little ant loves to read. See this little ant? It loves to read the book. It is reading. The other ants here, the other ants, they are teasing. They are making fun of this little ant. They are telling that don't read. That they are telling. Ants don't read. They only collect food. Okay? What these ants are teasing? They are saying that ants collect the food. They don't read. Ants don't read. Okay, children? Yes. Now see next page. See the picture. Little ant is reading and other ants all are working. They are collecting foods and taking to their underground. Okay? See all the children. See all the ants. They are taking food. Okay, children? And little ant is reading. Little ant is having a book in the hand. So, little ant reads all day. He reads and reads. The other ants take what they find to store for winter underground. Okay? See this little ant read all day. What do little ant do all day? Little ant reads all day. And other ants, they are taking food to store. Where they are taking? Under the ground. See here inside they are taking. Okay, see there are vegetables in their hands. Okay, students? So now next page. See there is a queen. See, can you see the queen standing here? And all the ants are there. See here there is a store. S-T-O-R-E store. It is written. See, I am showing you. S-T-O-R-E store. See, I am showing you the store. And see this little ant standing with a book. Can you see? See, I am showing you. Little ant is standing with a book. Okay? So what the queen is telling? But the queen wants food to fill the store. So all the ants must work some more. Little ants want to fill the store. The store should be full, but it is now empty. So queen is very sad. It tells other ants that you work more so that store should be full. To fill the store, all the ants should work. Understood this page, children? See this picture you have understood? Okay then. Now see there is a queen sitting. All the ants are standing here. And there is a little ant having a book in the hand. Can you see? Yes. See this queen. See, I am reading. Little ant begins to shout about a place he read about. What little ant is doing? Little ant is shouting. It begins to shout about a place. He tells a place where they can get more food. So, little ants shout. What little ant tells? Little ant tells, a restaurant is what we need. A place where people go to eat. It says so in the books I read. Okay? When the queen is telling she wants to fill the store, little ant is shouting that in the restaurants is a place where we can go, where people go to eat food. Why? Ant has read in the book that it is a place where people go to eat, and from restaurant they can get food. Okay, children? See now. So that small ants give them the idea. Then what happens? See, I am reading. So the ants go marching one by one to a restaurant. They now carry vegetables and fresh buns back home. See what happens? All the ants are going to the restaurants. They carry vegetables, fresh vegetables. All the ants are working. They carry fresh vegetables and fresh buns. See, there are buns also. All the ants are carrying vegetables, fresh buns to home. Understood, students? Where they are carrying? To the underground, to their home. Little ant told them, no, that restaurant is a place where we get food. So all the ants went to the restaurant and they brought food from there. Okay, people go to eat. It is a place where people go to eat. Okay, now see. When they return, the queen is glad. The stores are full. They cheer like mad. See here, queen is standing here. See that little ant with a book, and all the ants are shouting. Why they are shouting? Their store. See, the stores are full with buns and vegetables. Queen is also happy. Queen is happy. And the little ant gave them the idea, no? That people go to it. It is a restaurant, so there we will get food. So all the ants go there and bring food, and when they return home, their stores are full. See, all full. First it was empty, no? Now it is full. So all the ants are happy. Ant is also happy, queen ant. Queen is also happy. And see the little ant? It is having a book. Understood? Yes or no? Very good. So now, little ant's baby sister extends her hand. Now I think I understand the way you love to read a book. Makes me want to take a look. Understood? See what little ant's baby sister? Little ant is having a sister, baby sister. So it extends the hand. See its hand, stretches hands, asking that you love to read the book, I know now. Now I understand. This ant is telling, now I understand. Okay? That you love to read the book. Now I will also read a book, so give me your book. I will also read it. Understood? This little and baby sister also wants to read the book. 5 for what? To get knowledge. Understood, children? See again. Little ant's baby sister extends her hand. Now I think I understand the way you love to read a book. Makes me want to take a look. Okay, children? So now, meanings of this lesson. Number 1 is teased. T-E-A-S-E-D. Teased. See, we have done once, I would explain you. Now this time it is your revision. Okay, children? So, you have to revise this. What is the meaning of teased? T-E-A-S-E-D. Teased. Can anyone answer? Teased. Very good. Teased means make fun of, made fun of. M-A-D-E, made. F-U-N, fun. O-F, off. Made fun of. Teased. You can say with me. T-E-A-S-E-D. Teased. Made fun of. M-A-D-E, made. F-U-N, fun. O-F, of. Made fun of. Understood? Teased means, see again I am telling. T-E-A-S-E-D, teased, made fun of. Number 2 is glad. G-L-A-D, glad. What is the meaning of glad? Glad. G-L-A-D, glad. Glad means happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Glad. G-L-A-D, glad. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Glad, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Number 3 is cheer. C-H-E-E-R, cheer. Number 3 is cheer. C-H-E-E-R, cheer. What is the meaning of cheer? Give a shout of joy. G-I-V, give. A S-H-O-U-T, shout of joy. J-O-Y, joy. Cheer, give a shout of joy. Number 4 is extend. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. Extend, stretch. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend, See children, you have to learn these meanings. Okay? Yes. So learn, do revision. Number 1, see again we will revise this so that you will be able to learn it properly with the correct spelling. Meanings. Number 1, teased. T-E-A-S-E-D. Teased. What is the meaning? Made fun of. M-A-D-E, made. F-U-N, fun. O-F, of. Made fun of. Teased, made fun of. Number 2 is glad. G-L-A-D, glad. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Glad, happy. Number 3, cheer. C-H-E-E-R, cheer. Give a shout of joy. Give a shout of joy. Give a shout of joy. Number 4, extend. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. Extend, stretch. Extend, stretch. Okay? I will read again so that you have to learn this. Now you all have understood. So, now you give me answer, okay? Teased. What is the meaning of teased? T-E-A-S-E-D, teased. Very good. Made fun of. M-A-D, made fun of. Glad. G-L-A-D, glad. What is the meaning of glad? Very good. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Those children are reading and learning, will know the answer. Number 3, cheer. C-H-E-E-R, cheer. What will be the answer here? Can you answer me? Cheer. Yes. Cheer. Give a shout of joy. G-I-V-E, give a shout. S-H-O-U-T, shout of joy. J-O-Y, joy. Number 4, extend. E-X-T-E-N-D, extend. What is the meaning of extend? Can you answer? Yes. Extend, stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. Okay. So teased, made fun of. Glad, happy. Cheer is give a shout of joy. Extend, stretch. Now I hope you all have understood the lesson. You all have done the meanings also. So if you are not completed in your fair book, then complete it, lesson number 6 in your fair book, and learn and revise it. Okay student, be safe at home and complete your fair book. Okay, write with good handwriting. Yes, and at the last, thank you all.